COVID time, I think COVID pandemic has posed a real challenge to the entire world. And this is so very true for cancer patients because we all know कि cancer patients की immunity कम होती है और सबको काफ़ी डर होता है कि कोविड अगर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया तो शायद कैंसर पेशेंट्स को काफ़ी ज़्यादा हानि हो सकती है और शायद बहुत सीरियस आउटकम्स भी हो सकते हैं. सो इसकी वजह से काफ़ी कैंसर पेशेंट्स थेरेपी को अवॉइड कर रहे थे कोविड टाइम में. बट हमें ये बात बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है समझनी दैट कैंसर विल नॉट स्टॉप फॉर अ फ्यू मंथ्स. एंड कोविड जहाँ तक हम सब लोग देख रहे हैं, कोविड इज़ गोइंग टू गो ऑन फॉर मैनी मंथ्स. ये कोई बहुत एक दो दिन की बात तो नहीं है. And so in the COVID times, we have done almost 600 odd chemotherapy sessions, and thankfully we have not lost even one patient to COVID. And that is by God's grace, and also by taking adequate precautions during the COVID time. Three of our patients got COVID positive. One of them returned back to normalcy, and we completed the treatment also, and she's well. She was a breast cancer patient. Another patient was COVID positive and she became normal again, and she's continuing this chemotherapy. And another one had a gestational trophoblastic neoplasia, which is a pregnancy-induced cancer, and that patient is also back on therapy and is doing very well. So all these three patients who turned positive have turned negative. Rest other 600 odd chemotherapy sessions that we have done, none of the patients, we have not lost any patient to COVID. No patient became sick enough to even land into the ICU. So all of them recovered at home only. So the usual precaution that we take in COVID time is we definitely wear mask at all the time. We encourage patients to wear N95 or N99 mask, and we maintain social distancing. We are not examining them, or unless until it is very necessary, we are not trying to come very close to them. We definitely do hand sanitization at all times. We clean our hands with soap and water for about 20 to 30 seconds after examination, do hand sanitization. So every patient at every step, the gloves are there, the hand sanitization is there, and social distancing is to be maintained even in clinical care. Unless it is very important to examine the patient, we do examine. We sterilize the stethoscope also. With hand sanitizer, we sterilize our hands, and we try to examine with some distance at least, not to come in very close proximity to the patients. Handshaking is an absolute no-no. We are not doing any handshaking. So the only thing is just namaste. And so greet every patient with the namaste, do social distancing. I think with this, I think these are the various precautions that we are doing even in medical care. Of course, the nursing who comes who have to get in close proximity to the patient because they have to put IV cannulas and things like that. Even we are screening them regularly for COVID. So any patient who is having, or any healthcare staff who is having fever or any respiratory difficulty or any other upper respiratory tract symptoms, ऐसे patients को और ऐसे healthcare staff को हम segregate कर देते हैं, and उनका फिर हम COVID screening test भी कराते हैं. And this way, I think we have been very successful as far as therapies, instituting chemotherapy is concerned. Almost about 60 odd sessions, or maybe around 70 odd sessions of chemotherapies and targeted therapies have happened at home. So we have a very robust home care team which is taking care of chemotherapies and immunotherapies and other targeted therapy infusions at home. And till now, in the last 70 odd sessions, not even one single event has happened where any sort of difficulty has come. So that is also an option. I think we are learning more and more as we are doing more and more. But so far, generally we avoid to do the first session. The first session is definitely in the hospital, but the subsequent sessions, if they are considered safe, we can do at home also. With this, the therapy should go on unhindered. I think it is not wise to hold cancer treatment for a long duration of time. I can agree for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks is fine. But if you think that we can hold cancer treatment for months together, I think it's a very grave mistake. I always tell my patients that COVID may or may not happen. And even if it happens, it may or may not cause any eventuality. But cancer has already happened. right? And cancer treatment, if not received or delayed, there is no point. We always remember one thing, that if cancer detected early, it is curable. And willfully, wishfully, if we delay it and allow it to progress, then unfortunately even doctors cannot help much, and it becomes very difficult to optimize and get the best out of the treatment. So my request to everybody would be not to delay their therapies. I think the bottom line is, don't be fearful. Neither be fearful of your cancer, don't be fearful of your COVID. So don't be fearful, but be careful. Be careful as far as your treatment is concerned. I think the doctor should be able to instill as much confidence and as much discipline in patients, so that they can carry on with their treatment the way we have done. I think anywhere it can happen, but not to say that precautions should not be taken. Thank you very much.